Today, I'll show you how to create Gmail rules to move emails. If your inbox is getting crowded, Gmail rules can help organize everything automatically. In Gmail, these rules are called filters. Google says filters can automatically apply a label, archive a message, delete it, star it, forward it, or take other actions based on conditions you choose. That means instead of moving emails manually every day, you can let Gmail sort them for you. To begin, open Gmail on a computer. Google's official help says filter creation is done in Gmail on the web. At the top of the inbox, click the search options icon inside the search bar. Then enter the condition you want Gmail to look for. For example, you can filter emails from a certain sender, emails with specific words in the subject, messages with attachments, or emails larger than a certain size. After that, click Create Filter. Now choose what you want Gmail to do with those matching messages. If your goal is to move emails, the usual Gmail method is to apply a label and also choose Skip the Inbox, archive it. Gmail uses labels instead of traditional folders, so this combination works like moving messages out of the inbox and into a labeled section where you can find them later. Google's help and workspace guidance both describe using filters to apply labels and automatically sort mail this way. You can also create a rule from an email you already have. Select the message, click the three-dot menu, and choose Filter Messages like these. Gmail will fill in some details automatically, which can make setup faster. Then just choose the action you want and save the filter. If you want the rule to organize older emails too, Gmail may show an option to also apply the filter to matching conversations that already exist in your account. That can save a lot of time if you already have many similar emails waiting in your inbox. One important thing to remember is that Gmail does not work exactly like Outlook folders. In Gmail, labels are the main system for organizing mail, and archived messages stay accessible under all mail even after they leave the inbox. And that's how to create Gmail rules to move emails. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.